Ericsson estimates that almost 1 in 5 of all global mobile subscriptions will be 5G subscriptions by the end of 2023, as the growth proves resilient despite continued economic challenges and geopolitical unrest in some markets. Welcome to Varindia News Hour. India is expected to see strong growth in 5G adoption in the coming years. 5G devices are becoming more affordable, making them accessible to a wider range of consumers. Consumers today are increasingly demanding high-speed data to support activities such as streaming videos, gaming, and online shopping. 5G can provide speeds of up to 20 gigabits per second, that is Gbps, which is much faster than 4G LTE. India is seeing substantial 5G network deployments following the launch of 5G services in October 2022. 5G subscriptions are expected to reach 130 million in 2023 and is projected to have 500 million 5G subscribers by the end of 2027. 5G subscriptions are estimated to account for 68% of mobile subscriptions in the region by the end of 2029. 4G continues to be the dominant subscription type, driving connectivity and fueling data growth in the region. However, as subscribers migrate to 5G, 4G subscriptions are forecast to decline from 870 million in 2023 to 390 million by 2029. Total mobile subscriptions in the region are estimated to grow to 1.27 billion in 2029. Experts said Ericsson, together with their partners, has enabled one of the fastest 5G network deployments across the world, and today we are seeing strong 5G adoption in the country. Mobile networks continue to play a pivotal role in driving social and economic inclusion in India, thereby supporting the government's vision to transform the country into a digitally empowered society. Smartphone subscriptions in India as a percentage of total mobile subscriptions are expected to grow from 82% in 2023 to 93% in 2029. The report also explores wireless connectivity for the manufacturing industry. Moving forward, 5G is becoming a key determinant of production output, and it enables the agility required to support rapid changes and relocation of resources. Let's look into today's headlines. Viacom 18, Netflix and other OTT majors to collectively challenge new broadcasting bill. The OTT platform majors like Viacom 18, which operates JioCinema, Netflix and others, are reported to be planning to request the Indian government jointly to delay or revamp the proposed broadcasting bill. In a private meeting, executives of leading OTT platforms strategized on approaching the government to request a delay and potential overhaul of the bill, according to Reuters report. Customers of Booking.com warned of new scam on dark web. People are warned by the cybersecurity experts about a new scam that is targeting Booking.com customers by posting advertisements on the dark web asking for help finding victims. Hackers are targeting accommodation listed on the platform to impersonate staff members. To steal a hotel's credentials of Booking.com, the scammers involved deployment of the Vidar info stealer. Booking.com has not been hacked, but hackers have devised ways to get into the administration portals of individual hotels which use the service. Qualcomm not likely to partner with Samsung for Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. In October, Qualcomm launched its latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, which will power multiple high-end Android phones in 2024. As per a report in May, the US-based chipmaker is planning to adopt a dual sourcing strategy for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, which means the company was planning to source their chips from TSMC as well as Samsung. But it is reported that Qualcomm has decided against appointing Samsung as a supplier for its chips, and the company will rely solely on TSMC. DixonTechnologies stocks surges record high after the launch of new smartphone plant in Noida. The shares of DixonTechnologies India have surged over 9% to a record high after the firm announced that its subsidiary Padget Electronics inaugurated a new state-of-the-art smartphone manufacturing plant in Noida, Uttar Pradesh. DixonTechnologies shares gained 9.54% to a record high of rupees 6,034.75 against the previous close of rupees 5,508.90 on BSE. The stock was trading 7.92% higher at rupees 5,935.10 on BSE. UPI transactions surpassed 11 billion mark for a second time in a row. The United Payments Interface, that is UPI transactions, have surpassed the 11 billion mark for the second consecutive month as the country recorded 1,124 crore UPI transactions in November. The National Payments Corporation of India, that is NPCI, data reveals UPI transactions were slightly lower from October's 1,141 crore but up 54% from the 730.95 crore transactions the payments network recorded in November 2022. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to Varindia magazine. You can download the Varindia app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.